Okay, here we go.
Meya eating her prunes.
I love prunes.
Those good, Pee-Pee?
I think she's on to us.
She knows what color it is.
Yeah.
She said, that brown stuff I'm not eating.
Grandpa's not going to trick you anymore. Here. That's cereal. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and plug your nose.
Look at her eye. Her eye twitching.
Is Grandpa mean? He's still quivering. Oh, you're alright, Pumpkin. Is Grandpa mean to you? Do you want some of that? Mm-hmm. You don't mix it.
Sometimes I do.
Fine. Take that. Don't yell at me, young lady. That'll teach you to yell at me. You gonna yell at Grandpa some more?
She's still doing it.
Huh? Are you done yelling at Grandpa now? You gonna be nice to Grandpa? Okay, I won't give you prunes anymore. If you yell at Grandpa, I will give you prunes. Oh, are you yelling at Grandpa? Huh? Alright. Grandpa will fix you. What happens when you yell at Grandpa? You get prunes.